Introduction. Welcome to this video on cyber law and security, where we will explore how digital laws govern our online activities, protect our data, and deal with cyber crimes. In today's digital age, understanding cyber law is crucial for everyone, from individuals to large corporations. Cyberspace and the Internet of Things. Let's begin with the concept of cyberspace, a virtual realm where digital communications and transactions happen. From social media to e-commerce, this space has transformed the way we live, work, and interact. But with this transformation comes the need for regulation. The Internet of Things is another revolutionary concept. It connects everyday devices, like smart home gadgets, industrial machines, and healthcare tools, to the Internet. While IoT brings convenience and innovation, it also introduces vulnerabilities in cybersecurity. Cybercrimes, phishing attacks. Phishing attacks are deceptive tactics where cybercriminals impersonate trusted entities to steal sensitive information, such as passwords or credit card numbers. Ransomware. Ransomware is malicious software that encrypts a user's data, holding it hostage until a ransom is paid for its release. Identity theft. Identity theft involves stealing personal information like social security numbers or credit card details to commit fraud or impersonate the victim. Denial of service, DOS, attacks. A DOS attack floods a network or website with excessive traffic, causing it to crash and become unavailable to legitimate users. Cyber security threats, malware. Malware is malicious software designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems, including viruses, bombs, and trojans. Phishing. Phishing involves cybercriminals impersonating legitimate organizations to steal sensitive information via deceptive emails, websites, or messages. Ransomware. Ransomware is a form of malware that encrypts a victim's data and demands payment for the decryption key to restore access. Denial of service, DOS, and distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks. DOS attacks overwhelm systems with traffic, rendering them inaccessible. DDoS attacks use multiple systems to intensify the assault. Man-in-the-middle, MITM, attacks. MITM attacks intercept and alter communications between two parties, allowing cybercriminals to steal or manipulate data during transmission. SQL injection. SQL injection is a technique where attackers exploit vulnerabilities in a website's database, allowing them to access, modify, or delete data. Cyber laws, data protection and privacy, laws governing how personal data is collected, stored, and used, ensuring individuals' rights over their information, like the GDPR in the EU. Cybercrimes, legal frameworks addressing online crimes such as hacking, phishing, identity theft, and cyberstalking, with varying laws across jurisdictions. Intellectual property, IP, in cyberspace, laws protecting digital content from copyright infringement, piracy, and domain name disputes, ensuring the rightful ownership of creative works. E-commerce and digital contracts, regulations for the legal recognition of electronic contracts and transactions, along with consumer protection in online marketplaces. Cybersecurity laws, laws that enforce measures to secure networks, systems, and data from cyber threats, including national and international cybersecurity regulations. International perspectives on cyber law. Harmonizing cyber laws across countries is challenging, but efforts like the Budapest Convention aim to standardize the global response to cybercrime. Law enforcement roles and responses. Crime prevention. Law enforcement focuses on preventing crimes through proactive strategies like patrolling, crime awareness programs, and community engagement. Crime investigation. Law enforcement investigates crimes using evidence collection, forensic analysis, and suspect interrogation to solve cases and bring perpetrators to justice. Public order maintenance. Law enforcement manages public events, controls crowds, and responds to disturbances, ensuring public safety and maintaining order. Emergency response. In times of crisis, Law enforcement is often the first responder, managing situations like accidents, natural disasters, and active crime. Incidents, traffic control, law enforcement enforces traffic laws, manages road safety, and investigates accidents to ensure the smooth functioning of public roadways. Law enforcement and public trust. Building public trust is essential for law enforcement, achieved through transparency, accountability, and positive interactions with the community. Conclusion: cybersecurity is more important than ever as cyber crimes like phishing, ransomware, and identity theft continue to rise. Understanding cyber laws and adopting strong security practices are key to protecting your digital presence. Stay informed, stay safe,